Slow internet on Windows 10, 11. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you guys want to do is you're going to open your taskbar over here and you're going to type troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot setting over here. In the troubleshoot setting, this is where we will be able to check out any issues that are occurring in the system and other options as well. So click on other troubleshooters over here. And you can see here in the most frequent, you will be able to see network and internet. So simply click on run over here, which will show you this pop-up over here, which will give you some quick guides on what you could do with your Wi-Fi and to check if there are any existing Wi-Fi issues that your device can detect. You can click on run network text as well and so on and so forth. Aside from that, we could also do a very simple CMD command over here. So you're simply going to type ipconfig over here slash flush DNS, which will basically flush your cache, your internet cache over here. And after that, you're simply going to type an additional option over here, which is we're going to click here net sh and winsock reset. Let me fix my spelling here. Net sh winsock and reset. Enter. And of course, this is going to be as an administrator, so run your command prompt as that. And that should fix or help fix your internet speed in your Windows 10 or 11. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.